Driving from Italy, we arrive in Como, Switzerland, which is right by the border. And did you guys know George Clooney has a house here?
We are live! This is Lake Como.
We then enjoy a 2-hour scenic view in our bus on our way to our hotel in Zurich.
Hey, morning! If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we will be exploring Switzerland. We are in Zurich right now. We are bound to explore Interlaken, Lucerne. Interlaken and Lucerne.
Mountain villages that we're driving through, those were all owned by that monastery. That is why they got so big. So Grindelwald was owned by them, Lucerne was owned by them, and the entire region around here was also owned by them. This was the first form of urban development over here. This is a wonderful little Swiss village that kind of even looks as if it was still out of the Middle Ages or later. So if you want to see how an old Swiss village looked like, this is basically it. You also see those wooden houses here. They're all constructed in kind of the same way with those triangular roofs and the balconies in front of them. Those are called chalets, and this is like the most traditional style of Swiss architecture that there is. J.R.R. Tolkien once came here and was inspired to create parts of Middle-earth by the beauty that he saw here in this valley here. There's a lot of base jumping going on around here. Base jumping is where you jump off cliffs and then you pull a parachute as late as possible. So this is one of the extreme sports that we do around here in Interlaken.
So we arrive in Grindelwald, and it comes under the 25 largest communities in Switzerland.
We just reached Grindelwald, or they say it as Grindelwald. We're going to be taking a cable car up the mountain over here. It's so beautiful. It's like looking at a Windows XP wallpaper or a painting. It's beautiful.
Grindelwald lies in a valley situated on the northern side of the Alps, and it's surrounded by spectacular mountains. After exploring Grindelwald, we ride a gondola to go up the summit called First, or it's pronounced locally as Fierst. I'm not so sure, but...
It's snowing!
Just got to Lucerne. It's obviously hard to vlog. I'm using my phone right now because it's raining and it's cold. Actually, it's even colder than the snow of earlier. So we're gonna go look for a Chinese restaurant. We're craving for rice and Asian food, and there's one nearby and just a few feet away. So let's go. It is 3 p.m. and apparently a lot of the stores close early in the restaurants. So to look still for restaurants. Jesus! Fondue.
Here's our first course. What did you order? What's potato soup? So we're here in the bus at Lucerne. Sadly, everything's closed. We only got to go to the souvenir shop. So here's a tip: if ever you go to Switzerland on the weekend, almost everything closes at 4 p.m. We are outside our hotel. in Zurich. We're about to leave, and it's a winter wonderland this morning. Bye, Zurich! We just got to Bern, which is the capital of Switzerland.
Bern is the capital of Switzerland, and it is the most populated city. It constantly lands on the list of the best places in the world to live. Some of the most amazing Bern, Switzerland attractions can be found in the Old Town, which is the most preserved medieval city in the country. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Have a good day, guys.